Hey guys, today I'll be talking about this Chevy Express van. This is a cargo van, 2019. It's hit right here, door, fender, but overall it starts up, drives, except the wheel. I'll be doing more content about it, so stay tuned. Once I'm done with it, I'll do a review, how it runs and everything. This is 2019, 2.8 diesel Duramax. Not too shabby. It's missing a mirror. That has a backup camera. Has a lot of room. This is gonna be a work vehicle, so I'll be doing some work on it. I'll be probably replacing, putting a new light, fender, door, a few control arms. Doesn't look too bad. Everything looks like intact except the wheel. A few other parts like this. I'm not sure if this is bent, but we'll figure it out. So stay tuned. And if you have any question, comment below. If you want to know something, or if you want me to show you about this fan. Like I said, it's Duramax diesel 2.8 4-cylinder, I believe. And that's I think they're kind of rare, this kind of engine. Usually they come gas for the cargo vans. But yeah, I'm excited to hop on it and start doing some work. So to take this fender off, there's like a bolt right here. I won't be able to take it off unless if you have a special ratchet, because this plastic is in the way. So I might remove this plastic. It has like 3 screws or something, Philip. So I had to close the hood because it was in the way. Grab extension, another bolt, loose this bolt. So what I did to take off the fender, I removed 2 bolts, and then third one like a nut from the hood, and then I removed this one as well. You need to take the clip off to raise this up. Then took this one off, loosened this one, and for the antenna, you need to unscrew the antenna, and then this rubber, take the rubber off, and then the fender comes off. And then you also have like a rivet holding here and here. This one broke off. This rivet, another rivet, 2 bolts, screw here, I mean a nut, probably this one as well, this and that should come off. Maybe something on the bottom too. Also for the fender, there's one more bolt on the bottom which holds this right here, right there. When I took it off, mine was broken, so I didn't take it off my old one. But when I put it back together, don't forget this bolt as well holds it. And to get to it, you might have to, not sure, you might have to remove the bumper cover. Mine's broken, but you might have to remove this bumper cover, maybe, and the grill. And not sure if you have to remove the light or turn signal, but mine's off, so I was able to get to it just like that. But yeah, don't forget this bolt as well. I also installed the door, and to take it off you have to remove this plastic cover off, unplug this, you just pull this way, and that just pulls out. Yeah, just like this, just like that. I'm not gonna be pulling mine out right now because I already did mine. Let's put it back. That should be it. And then once the door's off, you just remove it so it doesn't get hung up. But yeah, and then you remove these two bolts. You should be able to get to them. I'm not sure, I think it was 10 millimeter on these two right here. And then you remove a little, like a washer thing, just pry it, one right here and one on the bottom. It's like a washer thing right there. Once you remove it, you can pop this out. Make sure someone's holding the door though. This and this. Once you pop that out, I think that was it for the door, and then you can just remove the door if you need to. Completely remove the door. But yeah, make sure somebody's helping you holding the door. I'll also be showing you how to remove this, because I had to swap it from my other door, from the crashed one to this one. It goes on clips, and there's few screws. There's like one here, clip here, and then you remove this, and then there's one more screw here, one's here, and then you remove this cover, and I believe there's probably two more here, but I should be showing on the video. And then the rest is pretty much on clips, and you just remove it. I also replaced this lock because I had it on my wrecked one, crashed one. So you also can watch my other video. I should be posting when I'm replacing this. If the video is not there, it hasn't come out yet, but it will be. And yeah, how I replace this. It's kind of tricky a little bit because there's like a metal plate holding underneath, but it's possible to do it. So yeah, that's that. So this is what it looks like once I replaced it. All intact. So all I have left is, there's quite a bit of work, but a headlight, turn signal. Now I have to replace this cover. I'm gonna have to replace the whole grill. And then the bumper cover. This bumper looks not too bad. It'll stay. I also put a new wheel, but I still gotta do more work because apparently your Chevy or GMC van, cargo vans, this one's express. If it's hit on the side, it rips it off like this. Mine ripped off, so I'll most likely be welding. Might not be me, but someone might help me weld this. We're gonna weld this piece together so we can put the lower control arm in place where it's supposed to be. Just in case, I mean, mine looks probably fine, but I bought a new control arm. I'll be replacing that. And then also this bolt that goes here and here, and then the other piece goes from here to there. And I think maybe a little bit more of body work right here, and that should be it. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'll be showing some more videos about this van. Let me know if you like this content. It's a little bit different than what I usually post, but so thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you on the next one.